Hello guys, my name is Casper. Welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to do a quick Twitter recap. I'm just going to say that today has probably been one of the weirdest days, I think, for a very long time with regarding to gold and silver. And not the dollar, but gold and silver instead were looking very grim early into the US session and then just turned around. It was a weird day. I think we'll look into that one in the weekend just to see uh, how it was actually. Very strange, but yeah, they did recover quite a bit. Also, copper did all right at the end. Looked also fantastically ugly at one point in time, but yeah, for some reason it recovered. So yeah, Twitter recap. Let's dive straight into the business here. These are 3 days old, 2 days old, 3 days old. So let's do it. Rashad here again with silver. And actually, he nailed this one to the teeth. As you know, we went straight down here and then up here. So this was actually, for now at least, a very good move. This was today's move, more or less, right? We crushed all the way down. We can't see it here, right, because it's 2 days ago, but the projection was quite well, and I'll be very happy if this is correct. Let's see. But you can clearly see the bottoms here, and yeah, getting above that 23.3, this high here. That's the FOMC meeting high yesterday. So yeah, beautiful chart by Rashad here. Don Johnson. This is KRE Regional Banking Index. Looks very bad. One major long-term up channel here. Again, they usually break to the downside. Breakdown, excuse me, retest of that channel, and now we are flagging again, curling down again. This is 2 days old, so I don't know what has happened for the past 2 days, but for now, this doesn't look ideal for the banking. Sahara here with Root or the Russell. And yeah, this looked like bearish. You know, this is a big move down, bearish consolidation, and he has his target here roughly at 1330. And where are we now? We are at 18 something. So that's a major drop if this plays out. Jesus. Um, but yeah, looks bearish, and let's see if it really resolves to the downside. Tavi here again. I've never seen a trade as crowded as being long treasury bills. Basically, what he's saying here is that he wants to that that gold here is probably a better bet overall compared to treasuries. And yeah, this is one of the most bullish charts out there. And you've seen this many times on my channel, also on other channels and Twitter accounts and so on. And yeah, I think gold within 2 quarters will reach the all-time high and break that 2075 really. And then we're on the route to roughly 3K. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. Grady here. Grady again here. The SPX divided by the US PPI. The historical breakdown from this 15-year bearish pattern is just another brick under the bullish commodities wall. Now backtesting right here from below. And when the stock markets cannot outperform inflation, global capital will need to move to commodities, which is the driver of that inflation. That's a beautiful description of how it works actually. And yeah, we are now back testing it from the lower side from that wedge, and typically you see the breakdown again, retest, resumption, rolled over. So we can have some quite big outperformance here by well, not outperformance by of money rolling into commodities. Rashad again here, gold multi-year consolidation to resolve soon. Again, you can see here this is also the triangle that I'm looking at. There it is, beautifully. I also have one that comes down here from that high, this high, and then you have the triangle, but still very valid. And yeah, I think if we get above this high here, break out of that triangle, get above 1960, then it's game on for gold. I don't know why that one is there. I have no idea. North Star here, Kevin. German producer price index just when you thought things couldn't get much worse. This is insane. Look at this. Looks like a goddamn crypto meme coin. Jesus, this is insane. Uh, just huge rally up right here, the PPI, and then just tanking down here again. Oh my Lord, this is insane. And yeah, this seems like, the something has broken here in 2020. And yeah, you know what happened in 2020, which broke everything, all correlations, the bond markets and so on broke in 2020. So So yeah, this I just want to show you this chart. It's just that's insane. You don't see that every day. Jay Hinster with um this is Denison Mines divided by Cameco. He's pointing out these arcs here at the bottom here in 16, and then in 2020 when we had the big rally, and now again here. And I also want to point out, I don't know if I can I sketch here? I think I can, yeah. You can see here, look at this one here. That's wasn't the best. There it is. That's insanely bullish for the smaller uranium companies. Again, Cameco has done insanely well for the past 2 years when all the other uranium miners went down or sideways, mostly down, like 50% at least. And yeah, here you have one big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move into a possible bottom here. Wait for that breakout here. Great chart with a falling wedge right there, bullish when we get that breakout, obviously. Great chart by Jay Hinster. Grady again, just pointing out his. Meanwhile, all the what the uranium miners went down right here, and then we had the big pop over here. He has been, selling and buying here, trading that range beautifully. I just want to show you that's quite impressive um, to have this kind of accuracy. Beautiful, great job by him for sure. Blackbeard here. This is how is this not an island reversal? Again, he's pointing out it's not the biggest resolution, but um, where can I find the drawing pen? No? Okay, 1 second. He's just pointing out to these here, the previous tops. They were also island reversals. Again, I don't know what happened today, but yeah, just pointing it out here that the that we have some short term. Uh, no, this is not USD, is that? It's the I think it's the 10-year. I can't see actually. Why can't I see it here? I think it's the 10-year um, interest rates. So yeah, still again, let's see if the 10 years goes higher again. I have my doubts, but uh, what do we have here? We have the good old Rashad again. Oh, he's really on fire these past few days. The gold to silver ratio. Again, there it is, breakdown here. And yeah, we have a breakdown here again. This is today, actually. This wild stuff here that went on in today. And I would like to see here how gold worked. Did that because gold is going down while silver is going up currently. And would like to know if gold also went up here. Just meanwhile, silver went up even more. I don't know. But again, you have it there. That's the neckline. What do we point to? Let's call it 80, 85. That's roughly around here. Uh, so yeah, beautiful chart again. I would like to see the weekly close and maybe into next week because this today, the past 2 days has been insanely hectic. So yeah, that's all I had for today. 2 days, maybe 3 days worth of great charting by the Twitter community. I urge you all to follow the guys that these accounts here. They give me much value, and have learned different things from the different people. They do things on they have their own techniques, but if you study them and you can maybe take something out of it. Um, so yeah, thank you everyone. Have an awesome day and um, see you in the next one. Cheers.